you may want to color not only that column that meets that criteria, but the whole row. So for example, if the bank of ANZ is entered in here, then I want the whole row to be coloured to stand out, not just ANZ. Now, in order to do this, we're going to have to understand about absolute cell referencing. You might like to check out one of my videos on absolute cell referencing. Also on my website, I have an article that articulates absolute cell referencing as well. Take a look at the details at the bottom of this YouTube, and I'll have that listed there, the links listed there for you. So because we want to apply the rule to a lot of cells, or all the cells, you will need to highlight all of the data that you want this to be applied to. So Control Shift arrow down, or whatever way you like to select all of that data. Now the way it's going to be looking at it is saying, I'm going to need to reference this, whatever's in this column, and I'm going to need to tell it to say, based on what's in column D, if it's equal to ANZ, then apply the colour. So the way it's going to do this is, because I've selected all of the data, it's going to take a look at it as if I'm here, and I need a formula. I'm going to be doing a formula that says, take a look at the information in column D, and does that meet the criteria? If the answer is yes, then this becomes coloured. It'll be the same thing if I'm over here. I need it to say, if in column D is equal to ANZ, then apply colour. And then if it's correct for the whole row, then each individual one is referencing this column. Therefore, the whole row will be coloured. Let's take a look. So I'm going to select the whole block of data where I want the colour to take effect. Then I come into conditional formatting, and I need to create a new rule. Now the rule I'm creating is one that's going to be a formula. The formula is going to say, look at whatever is in this cell here, but really what we're after, whatever's in column D. So as we are in a different cell, you need to constantly be looking at whatever's in D. So we need to anchor with the absolute only the column reference D. So if that is equal to ANZ, then we want to apply a particular colour. So all of the ANZ entries have been applied with colour. I hope you enjoyed that video by AZ Solutions. Subscribe for further learning or join one of our virtual training sessions.